Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Infinite Innovations Tech. If you're a car person or just someone who loves staying on top of the latest and greatest in automotive gadgets, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge car accessories available on Amazon in 2023. From high-powered impact wrenches to smart organization solutions, we've curated a list of must-have gadgets that promise to enhance your driving experience. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights, and let's explore these exciting car gadgets together. 1. Amazon Echo Auto. Elevate your road trip experience with this fantastic Echo smart home device, a true game changer for long drives. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into your car, and with Alexa on board, you can command your road trip experience. Ask Alexa to stream your favorite playlist or podcast, make calls, reply to texts, and even control your home lights if you forget to switch them off. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone for music changes or relying on a passenger for assistance. Let Alexa handle it all. Available on Amazon for $30. 2. Keychain car registration and insurance holder. Say goodbye to the frantic search for important vehicle documents in your glove compartment with this holder. Think of it as a wallet for your registration, insurance, and other crucial car documents, keeping them neatly organized in one convenient spot. No more digging around? Just grab and go with this handy and efficient document holder. Available on Amazon for $10. 3. RapidX X5 Car Charger. Sharing the charging love just got easier with RapidX's X5 Car Charger and its impressive 5-foot-long cord. No more struggling to reach the back seat. This model comes to the rescue. With 5 USB ports, it caters to both Android and iPhone users, and the cherry on top is the availability in 6 different color options. Available on Amazon for $24. 4. iOtti EZ1 Touch 5 Cup Holder Car Mount. This accessory transforms a car's cup holder into an excellent phone mount, securely locking into place to ensure easy charging and stability. With a magnetic cord organizer, it keeps cables in order too. Compatible with smartphones of all sizes from compact to big screen, this accessory supports both landscape and portrait viewing modes. Available on Amazon for $24. 5. Resme Keychain Car Escape Tool. It's a must-have for every driver and can be easily added to the same chain as their car keys or key fob. Made in the United States, this reasonably priced tool features an integrated glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. It's incredibly lightweight and comes in a variety of colors, offering both functionality and style. Available on Amazon for $8 to $10. 6. Slim Cleaning Brush. The Slim Brush you mentioned is designed to tackle the challenging task of cleaning those hard-to-reach places in your car. Its slender shape allows it to fit into narrow spaces such as windowsills, AC slats, cup holders, and other intricate areas that tend to accumulate dust. The handle provides easy maneuverability, and the hole at the end adds a convenient hanging option for storage. Available on Amazon for $5. 7. Car and Driver Bluetooth 5.0 FM Transmitter. Beyond being a versatile charger with 3 USB ports, it also serves as a Bluetooth 5.0 and FM transmitter, making it an excellent tool for managing phone calls. The multifunction button ensures distraction-free operation, and it can play audio files from a flash drive or microSD card. With a customizable ring light, this gadget seamlessly blends into the interior of almost any car, offering both functionality and style. Available on Amazon for $25. 8. NOCO Boost Plus GB40. Facing a dead car battery is never fun, especially when you're out in the boonies. That's where this portable jump starter from NOCO comes in handy, allowing you to get your car back on the road without relying on external help. Aside from its jump-starting capabilities, the NOCO boasts IP65 water resistance and comes equipped with a USB-A port, a 12V outlet, and a 100-lumen flashlight. All of this while weighing in at just under half a pound. Available on Amazon for $30. 9. The Drive Bin. Keep their car interior looking clean and organized with the Drive Bin. This waterproof bin comes with disposable plastic bags, providing an easy way to dispose of garbage once they're home. With a quick clip strap for easy adjustment and storage on a headrest, this bin is a convenient and practical solution for maintaining a tidy car. Available on Amazon for $10. 10. Nebo Slide. Rechargeable flashlight with work light. The Nebo Slide is a sleek and powerful flashlight that makes an excellent product for car lovers. True to its name, this product features a slide-out work light with various modes, providing versatility for different tasks. With a magnetic base, the recipient can easily mount it while working underneath the hood of most cars. Available on Amazon for $49. 11. Craftsman Torque Wrench 1/2 inches drive, CMMT 99,434. This combines portability and convenience. Encased in a durable case, it's easily transportable and suitable for storage. The bimaterial handle provides added comfort and a secure grip during use. Its locking feature ensures quick and easy adjustments for hassle-free operation. The scales stamped into the housing allow for quick identification of both inch and metric torque settings. Available on Amazon for $64. 12. ComfiLife Gel Enhanced Seat Cushion. For those achy backs and bums after long commutes or road trips, consider this gel seat cushion. It's like sitting on a cloud. Crafted from memory foam with a non-slip bottom, it offers hours of comfort. The added convenience of a washable cover ensures it stays clean. And the built-in handle makes it easy to transport from your car to your desk chair or wherever you need a comfy seat. Available on Amazon for $43. 13. Foval 150W Power Inverter. For those who work on the go or enjoy weekend camping trips, this compact power inverter is a game changer. With 2 USB ports, it keeps all your gadgets charged and ready. The real game changer, though, is the AC outlet, allowing you to power up devices like a laptop, hair straightener, or even holiday lights. Available on Amazon for $18. 14. Limitless Innovations. Jump Smart 10-in-1 Portable Car Jump Starter. When you're stuck with a dead car battery, you'll be thanking your lucky stars for this handy jump starter in your trunk. Not only can it jumpstart your car, but it also offers 4 modes of light and can power up your phone or other devices. Be prepared for any roadside emergency with this versatile and reliable jump starter. Available on Amazon for $30 to $50. 15. Floor mats. According to a popular Reddit thread on must-have car accessories, all-weather floor mats take the lead in keeping your car interior clean from mud, slush, and other debris. This Amazon's Choice set, available in 6 different colors, caught our eye. Designed to endure wear and tear, it features rubber nibs on the bottom to prevent slipping. Plus, you have the flexibility to trim the front and back seat mats to perfectly fit your car. Available on Amazon for $30. 16. Lumbar Support Pillow. A lumbar support cushion is essential for those with long commutes or extended time spent in the car. This cushion, made of soft yet firm memory foam, provides support for the lower back. It can be easily attached to any car seat and is available in 3 colors, black, gray, and yellow. Available on Amazon for $30. 17. Snow-Off Windshield Snow Cover. Prepare for colder weather with this windshield cover designed to save you time on frosty mornings. The cover uses magnets to stay in place and can be easily folded into its carrying pouch when not in use. It's a convenient solution for dealing with snow and frost during the winter season. Available on Amazon for $29. 18. 7. Sparta Car Cup Holder Expander. Dealing with cups of all shapes and sizes in your car can be a challenge, from coffee mugs to water bottles to those fast food soft drink cups that seem to have a mind of their own. But fear not. This cup holder expander is here to save the day. It lets you fit any cup size and makes reaching for your drink a breeze. Available on Amazon for $20. 19. Prolift C236D Gray 36 inches Z Creeper Seat Black. The Prolift C236D Gray 36-inch Z Creeper Seat is a versatile maintenance tool that easily converts from a creeper to a seat. With thick padded cushions, 6 swivel casters for maneuverability, and a 300-pound weight capacity, it offers comfort and practicality. The retractable pin allows quick seat adjustments, making it a convenient choice for various tasks. Available on Amazon for $61. Well, that's it. For now, make sure that you like our video. Please share your views in the comments section with us. Subscribe to the channel to get updated, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then check out the list of best mechanical tool sets to buy. See you at the next one.